Artificial intelligence has come a long way in recent years, allowing machines to do tasks that were only possible for humans. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced machine learning algorithms that can recognize objects and even create their own images, AI's capabilities continue to grow. But what potential abilities of AI are currently not available to the public, and what might the future hold for this fast evolving technology? As AI technology becomes more advanced and capable, some are worried that it could be used for malicious purposes like surveillance and manipulation. There are also concerns that AI could replace medical professionals. But instead of replacing humans, what if AI could address the growing need for clinical care? AI for healthcare is divided into two categories: perceptual AI and intervention AI. Perceptual AI replicates the ability of healthcare professionals to perceive disease. Intervention AI addresses decisions about how patients should be treated. Medical imaging is a key focus area where AI is used to acquire images faster and with better quality, extract information from images, and turn that information into a diagnosis or prediction. AI can help to pull data from hundreds of thousands of rare cases to support a diagnosis. AI is being applied to prenatal ultrasound screening and detecting abnormalities in fetuses. An AI system is also being used to predict the likelihood of patients returning into the hospital after discharge. AI is being applied to medical records to identify patterns and predict disease. Efforts are ongoing to ensure that AI systems are secure and trustworthy. Because of these advances, AI offers an opportunity to automate problem solving in healthcare, make better and quicker decisions, and apply problem solving techniques that humans cannot. The cost of care will be reduced and outcomes improved through earlier, faster, and better care. Advanced AI capabilities could be used in the medical field. Imagine having a virtual doctor that can understand and analyze your symptoms and give you personalized treatment recommendations. This could lead to faster and more accurate diagnosis, as well as more personalized and effective treatment plans. One potential application of AI in medicine is the use of machine learning algorithms to analyze large amounts of medical data, such as patient records and imaging scans. AI systems perform better in some specialties than others. Some of the conditions where AI is especially accurate are kidney disease with 99.61% accuracy, liver disease with 99% accuracy, and even COVID-19 disease with 98.8% accuracy. The type of dataset and technique used to teach the AI determine how well the AI performs. Machine learning and deep learning are both a type of AI, but they are different from each other. Machine learning involves using algorithms and statistical models to enable a system to improve its performance on a specific task through experience. In contrast, deep learning involves neural networks, which are made up of many interconnected processing nodes to learn complex patterns in data. It is difficult to say whether machine learning or deep learning is more efficient for diagnosing disease. It will depend on the specific details of the task at hand. Both approaches have been used for this purpose, and both have shown promising results. For example, machine learning algorithms have been used to identify patterns in medical images that can help diagnose certain diseases, while deep learning algorithms have been used to analyze electronic health records and other data to identify potential health issues. Ultimately, the most effective approach will depend on the specific data and the desired outcome. This use of AI in the analysis of large amounts of medical data would allow doctors to more accurately diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatment plans, improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. Another potential use of AI in medicine is the use of natural language processing to analyze and interpret medical documents like doctor's notes and prescription orders. More than 237 million medication errors are reported to be made every year in England, with definitely avoidable medication errors costing nearly 98.5 million every year and 1,700 lives. AI advances could help reduce errors and improve the efficiency of the healthcare system, which would increase the amount of time doctors have with their patients. Another way that AI could help the healthcare system is by accelerating the discovery of new treatments and therapies, which would allow doctors to provide more effective care to their patients. It may develop life-saving medicines more quickly and make them available to patients. The UK's National Health Service is struggling to provide healthcare to everyone who needs it because of funding shortages and an increasing demand for healthcare. The 4-hour standard is the most well-known measure of A&E performance. This states that 95% of patients attending A&E should be admitted, transferred, or discharged within 4 hours. During October 2022, NHS England and NHS Scotland data showed that a record number of people waited at least 4 hours to be seen in A&E. More than 30% of patients had to wait this long. If the waiting times are so record high, there must be an unusual amount of people coming in, right? Well, not quite. While since spring 2021 attendance in A&E has been rising, the numbers are just getting closer to the pre-COVID levels. And waiting times before COVID were not nearly as long as now. AI can help improve the situation by analyzing medical images to identify diseased areas in seconds. It can then recommend the correct decision for over 10 different diseases with at least 98% accuracy. This is faster and more accurate than manual interpretation of images, so it could help doctors treat patients more quickly. Of course, there are also many potential concerns about the development of advanced AI. These could include privacy, security, and the potential of AI to be used for malicious purposes. It's important for researchers and developers to consider these issues as they continue to develop AI. AI does not have the ability to understand and respond to complex and nuanced emotions. While current AI technology can recognize and respond to basic emotions like happiness and anger, it is still not able to understand more complex emotions like empathy and guilt. That's because human emotions are complex and hard to define, and there is no universal agreement on how to measure and classify them. AI also lacks empathy, critical thinking, and creativity, which is why it is unlikely that AI will be able to fully replace doctors in the next 5 years. Overall, the potential capabilities of AI are truly exciting and have the potential to revolutionize the medical field. It will be interesting to see how AI continues to develop and evolve in the coming years. The potential of AI is vast and varied, and the future of this technology is likely to be filled with exciting developments and breakthroughs. While many of these capabilities are currently not available to the public, it is only a matter of time before they become a reality.